is having a walking around.
Just over there, the cafe. I went there this morning and got a nice hot chocolate from there, which was very nice.
And this is the scene around here. Let me take my glasses off. So hubby is having a look around, and that is the seaside, and we've got so many things there. So we're just going to have a look around here. So I hand over to hubby. That's
Swimming pool, do a swimming pool. There's a swimming pool over there.
That's
This is a swimming pool around this area. It's a lovely big place. Look, there's little huts you can rent out. You can go. There's all the sea over there, the scenery. This is the little cafe. This is the cafe we went to.
So, and this is Mrs. Always Right. We are in a small seaside where we are in the Rockley Park, and we just about 10 minutes drive from Rockley Park. So we're just coming to have a look around the seaside.
Look at these lovely. This is the lovely pool over here, and look at all the flowers here. Stand in front of them flowers. I love them. Roses.
So don't going that way. We don't want children around.
Go around this area now. Come around
Just
here.
going around the other side.
This is where we're going to go walk down here to where the boats are.
So we're just going to have a bit of walking around. Very nice view here. And we got there where people can run around and
Look
play.
at the design of the building what they've done with all these like boats they talk about. It's very clever. And when we're walking around this area, this is park. And we're going down here.
So that is the sea.
There's the sea over there. Boats.
And look at this wonderful field here. It's lovely. So I got my backpack ready for adventure.
She's going hill climbing. She's going up Dumbledore.
So look at that. There's a lot of boats there. So we're going to go around.
A lot of boats in the harbour down here.
I've got little dogs running around.
Little dogs everywhere. And she's walking down towards the where the boats are.
So just having a good. So look at this. It's so nice here. And you can feel the breeze. See the breeze coming in here. Wow, I really love it. It's wonderful.
A couple of little dogs in the park. Sweet, aren't they, the little dogs?
Yeah, they're gorgeous.
They're lovely, aren't
They're having their own fun.
they? This is where all the boats are down there. Look at the scenery. Look at it. Absolutely wonderful.
So we're just going to go around so we can show you the sea from here.
Actually, you can walk all the way down there where Carl is if you go around this way.
Yeah, we're going to do that.
Huh. What's this building here then? Look around here, look. Phone, copy those people. I don't know where the phone is.
Take my backpack. Back the other zip, the other one.
I can't find it.
The other zip, the last one here. So we're just having a phone call coming in.
Yeah, it's cool. Is that mine or yours? Cool, man.
Call.
Could you take this for me, please?
So we just.
Hello, you alright? Yeah, okay, we'll come back then. Alright, see you in a minute. On the way back now. This window can be done now.
Okay, that's good. So we're just going back to see Carl now.
You put that purse away. Oh, bless you. Yeah, very. He must be cold as well. I think we'll this way then. We'll go this way. He said quick as you can, Dad. Okay.
I'm just going to rush around. So we're just going back again to where our stepson is. My stepson is. So we just had a bit of adventure, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and have a wonderful